There are plenty of things that AI can't do, but they can certainly help me. As medicine gets more complicated, that's actually a huge asset to us.
Yeah, that's something I've thought about from time to time with what the technology can do well and what the humans can do well. The capability of a GP is massive generally, but it's that cognitive load or that retention of knowledge that almost seems a little bit unfathomable to be sustainable, but that's what AI can do really well. So it'd be interesting where that kind of crosses over.
I think of something I did this week in practice. Patient of mine sees me very regularly, very complex. And, we were thinking about options. She's had very low mood. She feels no joy anymore. She's been on lots of different medications across her life, and thinking about not just my knowledge, but her knowledge of her own life, and how do we make sure that's also being surfaced when we talk about it? Because otherwise AI would give me, here's a whole heap of clinical things like therapeutic guidelines, but the things that get knocked out are like, oh, I was on that before, that was terrible. I was on that before, that gave me huge weight gain. It made me not be able to sleep. All of those things are really important to keep the patient engaged in the consultation. And this is part of what we did. We sat there with options and really thought about the pros and cons. How do we want to weigh them? What should be our next step as a patient? And that's the part that I think that is intrinsically human, because I know her really well.